Hi, this is the team of Mike, Chris and Luke Haas with Realty One Group Gold Standard. You are invited to view this beautiful move in Ready Brick Ranch at 3314 Harbison Street. Located in Brighton Heights, this lovely home boasts 3 bedrooms, an updated eat-in kitchen with soft close cabinets, quartz countertops, backsplash and newer flooring, an updated full bathroom with ceramic floor, a family room, a private backyard with composite deck and covered patio, and an integral garage. As you enter this home, the refinished hardwood floors invite you into the spacious living room to relax. Entertain your guests in the updated eat-in kitchen. Or invite your friends and family for a barbecue on the deck and covered patio in the private backyard. You will love the convenient location. Close to town and shopping. With easy access to I-279, Route 19, Route 65, public transportation and the bike trail to the city. With an updated eat-in kitchen, updated full bathroom, a private backyard with deck and covered patio. Refinished hardwood floors, an integral garage, newer roof and hot water heater. And plenty of storage, it's ready for you to move right in.